To do a single crochet, you're going to take your working yarn. You're going to go into the second loop from the hook. If you go into this first loop where your working yarn is already going through, you will undo the stitch you've already done. So you're always going to go to the second stitch from the hook, the second loop. We're going to go right into that top loop. Okay. Yarn over, pull through. So now we have 2 loops on our hook. You're going to yarn over again and pull through 2. And then you're going to go into the next V. We have our working yarn going through this loop. So we're going to go to the next one. If you can see this V, we're going to go into this top stitch of that V. So straight in here, yarn over, pull through. We have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through both. And then we're going to go into the next top loop, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. That's our single crochet. Into the next loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Into the next loop, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2. You're getting so good at this. Into the next loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, single crochet. Into the next loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Need a little bit more slack here. All right, we've got 2 left. Into the loop, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Last one. You're doing so good. In, over, up, yarn over and pull through 2. And that, my friends, is your first row of single crochets. Look at us go. So now we're just going to talk about these stitches super quick. So now we've sort of changed the anatomy of our stitches. Now we have a top. This is looking down instead of how we were looking like straight on. Now we're looking down at our stitches and our V's are on the top. So now we have a back loop, a front loop, and we have a post. You can see where the stitches connect to our starting row. We have this post, our back loop, front loop, post. And there are some patterns that will have you actually stitch through the post, through and around the post. Those are neat. You will have some patterns that will tell you to crochet into the back loops only or into the front loops only. Usually you're going to crochet through both front and back loops at the same time. And let's get to that right now. We're going to do half double crochets. So on to the next video.